Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the essentials of Zoho CRM, a powerful tool designed to help sales teams manage leads, track deals, and boost productivity. If you're new to CRM software, this guide will show you how to get started with Zoho CRM effortlessly. Let's begin. Sign up and configure basic settings. Start by creating an account on the Zoho CRM platform. Once inside, navigate to the Setup menu to configure your business details, like company name, time zone, and currency. Personalize the CRM to match your sales processes. Import and organize your contacts. Import existing customer data from spreadsheets or other CRMs into Zoho. Use modules like Leads, Contacts, and Accounts to categorize and organize your data for better accessibility. Set up pipelines and workflows. Create sales pipelines to visualize your deal stages and define workflows for automating repetitive tasks, such as sending follow-up emails or assigning leads to team members. Integrate with other tools. Connect Zoho CRM with email platforms, communication tools, or analytics software for seamless data flow across your tech stack. Popular integrations include Gmail, Outlook, and Zoho's own ecosystem. Monitor performance with reports. Use Zoho CRM's reporting and dashboard features to track sales performance, forecast revenue, and identify areas for improvement. Customizable charts make it easy to share insights with your team. Zoho CRM simplifies customer relationship management, making it an essential tool for growing sales teams. Have you set up Zoho CRM for your team? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.